Duke Energy wants to give you up to $240 in rebates. In a typical home, heating and cooling account for nearly half the total energy bill. And leaky air ducts can make an HVAC system work harder, further increasing energy costs. According to Energy Star, air ducts can lose 20 to 30% of the air that moves through them due to leaks, holes, and poor connections. Ask yourself, do fluctuations in temperature cause swings in your energy bill? Are temperatures unbalanced in certain areas of your home? Or have you noticed that dust accumulates more quickly? These are just a few of the potential signs of a leaky duct system. By repairing leaky ducts, you'll reduce energy usage, improve air quality, and save money. If you suspect you have leaky ducts in your home, you must first complete a free home energy check, either online, by phone, or in person to qualify for the duct rebate. During the in-person home energy check, one of our energy advisors will conduct an initial inspection on your duct system. If air leakage seems present, we'll recommend a pre-qualified licensed contractor to complete a full diagnostic test on your system. After the test is complete, your contractor will document the leaks on a form and provide a quote before making any repairs. Get started on your duct upgrade today and claim your rebates.